Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. Today I'll guide you through how to download and install qBittorrent on your MacBook quickly and easily. This is a free and powerful software for downloading files via the BitTorrent protocol. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official qBittorrent website. You can find it by searching for qBittorrent download on Google. Once you're on the download page, select the version for macOS. The website will take you to a detailed page with the available versions. There are two main options. qBittorrent macOS X is the standard, stable version suitable for all Mac computers. qBittorrent macOS X Qt6 LT20 is an advanced version built with Qt 6 and libtorrent 2.0, optimized for Macs with Apple Silicon chips like M1, M2, M3, and M4. Choose the version that best fits your Mac and download the installation file. Once the file is downloaded, open the DMG file. You'll see a security message from macOS saying the installation is blocked for security reasons. Click Done. Now open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and scroll down to the Security section. You'll see a notification that qBittorrent was blocked. Click Open Anyway. A new dialog box will appear. Click Open Anyway again to proceed with the installation. Enter your Mac password or confirm using Touch ID. Next, drag the qBittorrent icon into the Applications folder. Open Launchpad and look for qBittorrent. If it's there, that means the installation was successful. When you launch the app for the first time, macOS will warn you about potential security risks. Click Done, then go back to the Privacy and Security section from earlier. Scroll down and click Open Anyway. Enter your password or confirm with Touch ID. Confirm a couple more prompts until the qBittorrent interface appears, and you're good to go. Now you're ready to use qBittorrent on your MacBook. The app has a simple and user-friendly interface that allows you to download files using both torrent files and magnet links. If you're new, be sure to check out my video on how to find torrent links and use qBittorrent. That video was made on Windows 11, but the interface and steps are identical on Mac. The video link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like to support me. See you in the next video.